Hi guys, we're up close today because we are talking brows. I haven't plucked my eyebrows in a month or two. It has to be like 2 months. It has to be almost 2 months at least because I'm trying to get them to fill in, although I filled them in today. We're trying out soap brows, which is I don't put anything to lay my brows down. So I just put the pencil on and then I keep it moving. I put some because I'm normally heavy-handed and so it comes out darker than I want, as you guys know. And so I put some powder on there and then I keep it moving. So I wanted to try this out. Soap Brows, the original brow soap by wb&co. It is handmade in the UK. So I thought I'd give it a whirl. And it retails for $16. And this is what it looks like. And it says, the original brow soap that broke the internet. Strong styling power favored by pro makeup artists. Moisturizing ingredients to nourish delicate skin. Portable packaging that is perfect to pop in your bag. Use our specially formulated prep mist to get the very best results. Okay, so I guess you're supposed to put something in here or some type of water or something. Oh, so it's just like a canister. Okay. So you brush through your brows to style. What does that feel like? Oh, it's just hard. It's just hard. And it doesn't smell like anything. Just in case you haven't heard about this little old Hollywood-inspired wonder, Soap Brows was created to perfect and hold the brush up style. Whether you have sparse brows that need a helping hand or you are rocking that bushy look, this brow soap will help you style your eyebrows however you like. Whether you want fluffy eyebrows, natural-looking brows, or more groomed look. Perfect for anyone with eyebrows. Seriously. I like that. Okay. All right, well, it says how to use. Grab your favorite prep mist along with the applicator. This came with it. The brow brush or bamboo spoolie. One spritz is more than enough as you don't want the brow soap to get too wet. Okay, so I need to go and get prep mist. Use the applicator to gather some product till it becomes paste-like. Then coat your eyebrow hairs. Leave for 1 minute or so, then go back and shape. Now reach for your phone and take a selfie because your eyebrows are killing it. Okay, so let me go get my mist and I'll be right back. All right, this Urban Decay All-Nighter is what I first saw, and so this is just what I'm going to use. I know this is a setting spray. So let's see, I'm just going to spray some in there. And then it says to use the applicator to gather some product. Okay, so I'm moving it around a bit. Moving the product around a bit. Moving the product around a bit. Okay. It is getting on the spoolie. Okay. And, well, let's try, guys. All right, let's go for this eyebrow. It is white, so hopefully it doesn't leave any type of white residue. Okay. Oh. This is definitely laying down my brows. Can you see that? You know what it feels like? It feels like it's some type of glue or something. It's not going anywhere, I bet. Huh. It makes my eyebrows look darker, and it shows where it kind of takes some of my pencil off. So I would need to go back in there and retouch my brows up, unless I was a little bit too harsh. It doesn't look like there's any white residue, or is that just the gray in my eyebrows? Can you see the difference? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I guess it really, what it does is it makes your eyebrows look more put together, which is actually pretty nice. But yeah, it laid down everything, didn't it? Wow. And I feel it's a little tight. I feel the tightening in here. Huh. Okay. Who knew your eyebrows could look better when you have them laid down? But yeah, it darkens them up a bit, and I need to stop messing with it because I think that's how you mess it up. Yeah, I like this. This is, to be honest, this is gonna last forever. I didn't need to use a lot. Not at all. You see that? That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, I hope that helps you guys figure out if you're looking at brow soap or soap brows. Soap brows. That helped you figure out if it's something that you were looking to purchase or try out. I really like it. Let me look at it again. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. All right, guys. I will see you guys next time. And I was going to say something clever like happy eyebrow shaping or something like that, but that's silly. So I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.